heck? Are you guys getting this?
Look at that.
Are you guys getting this?
Strange. It's like a foot.
Yeah, it
Like
is.
a cloud foot.
Cloud foot?
I think they...
Is that like a funnel or
I
something?
think there's some name for it.
Wow.
There's a foot that extends out in storms. Tornadoes and stuff.
Oh, yeah. It's way up there now.
It's just strange.
It's way up there. Saw a couple of lightning strikes.
It's just weird to see such a smooth edge.
Very smooth. Oh! That's way behind there. Holy cow. I thought that struck that light post right there. It's behind the trees. You can't really see it.
It's just weird.
Have I seen something like this before? I don't know. I probably did. Maybe it was on like a storm report or something. God, that's awesome. Look at that. Wow. Oh. Here we go. Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's rain over there.
Some over there too.
Oh, wow. Oh!
Nice one. Wow.
I'm gonna look over here now.
That was big.
I'm gonna look over
It
here.
had that booming kind of sound to it.
I'm gonna look over here.
It's like a jibbit right here. It's kind of a foot.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Oh!
Oh! Oh man!
Oh wow!
Wow, that was bright.
That was bright.
Oh my gosh!
Wow.
Oh, that was gnarly! Gnarly, dudes!
That was a good one.
Oh, wow! Am I not even awake yet? It's 11:26.
He went back to sleep. He had some problems with his ear,
Oh,
and I tried to flush his ear out. And
okay. All right. I don't think I can see anymore. I think that's it. See, look, you can see more of the cloud on this than you can with your own eyes. That's pretty cool.
interesting.
Clouds all over the sky.
I thought it was pouring over here already.
Wow, I heard that one. That was really close. Dang. That's so weird. You can see more of the cloud on here. What's over there? It's off to the left. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna keep going because something might happen. Oh! Wow! Oh! That wasn't too far away.
Wow. No, it was right in front of us. Wow.
I love lightning.
Wow.
Awesome. All the birds are like,
Hit our house.
oh, the birds, run away! Run away, birds!
There's nobody behind us.
Some over there too. It's all over the place. Scattered thunderstorms. I'm gonna look right.
There's nobody behind us, so.
I'm gonna aim straight and I'm gonna look right. Yeah, they're all back there. They're all behind. Obviously, it's not bright enough. Let's see if I have any more.
It's definitely off to the left.
Whoa, where was that?
Left.
Oh yeah, listen. Oh.
It's right over there.
Oh yeah.
see it up there falling already.
Yeah.
How the dog's doing.
Whoa! Oh, I did not get that. That was over there.
Nice.
Did not get that.
It's the hissing sound of that one.
Amazing. That one. Big one. Biggin.
Yeah, I'm driving right now.
Bumpy, 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 bumpy. Whoa, it's over there. Wow. That was cool. Yeah, it's right there. We'll not be able to see any lightning strike because of all these trees and houses. But it was right there.
Pull in front of me.
Wow, it's all over there. We're driving straight
Yeah,
into
we're
it.
driving right into it.
What are we doing?
Yeah, off to the left. It's all right in here.
It's off to the left.
Yeah, here's the rain.
I'm gonna aim over here now. Whoa, that's pretty close. Whoa, Liz, you can feel that one.
Yeah, it's right
Wow.
here.
Wow.
Oh,
The sheer power in that. Some of these lights are just way too bright. Whoa! I think so. I don't know. That is amazing. It's picking up now. Whoa! I don't know if I could see that one. I wasn't looking. It's nasty. Hey.
there's the grass needs it.
Wow. I would hate to be walking out in this weather. This weather is... Whoa! That was right behind us. I can barely hear myself think. Wow. I think the severe thunderstorms came a little late.
Oh, a little early. They weren't supposed to happen until later.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. So I thought they said that there were going to be severe thunderstorms on Wednesday. Now it's Saturday. Alright, I'm stopping in 10 minutes.
Drive right out of it. We'll sit in the car till it stops. We'll look to see it stopping already. What's nice about these thunderstorms is they're quick. Come in, some lightning, dump a bunch of rain, move on.
Hey, it beats water in the grass with your sprinklers or
Yeah,
whatever.
amen. We need it. We need the rain badly. The grass is so dry.
Alright.
Nice. Good footage.
That was great footage. crazy footage. Well, that concludes the weather. Goodbye.